How to view the battery usage throughout the day on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Battery. Next, go down to the second section of the screen. In here, you can view your battery usage in the last 24 hours or in the last 10 days. Now I'm going to select last 24 hours tab. In here, you can view your battery level. So you can tap on each of the bar here by the hour and you can view your battery usage. So here you can see during the night time, my screen time is 0 minutes and screen idle is 0 minutes. But by mid-morning or during lunch, then my screen time active is 7 minutes at this time here at around 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. or 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. I have screen active for 4 minutes. So here you can tap on each of the hour block to view the battery usage. Now if you go down, you can view usage by apps. So we've got settings, 79% usage from the settings screen. From the home and lock screen, it uses up 21%. And then you got photos and Safari. And here you can tap on screen idle or screen active. You can also view by activity. So tap on show activity and you can view usage by activity. And the most usage is settings. And next is photos, and then you got home and lock screen, and then Safari. And that's it. And that is how you can view your battery usage throughout the day. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.